Looking for top-notch slider windows Loves Park? Our expert team specializes in providing high-quality slider window installation services that enhance the beauty and functionality of your home. With our energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy a comfortable indoor environment while reducing your energy bills. Our custom window solutions in Loves Park are designed to meet your specific needs and preferences, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. When it comes to window replacement services in Loves Park IL, we offer a wide range of options to suit any style and budget. Our residential window upgrades in Loves Park are perfect for homeowners looking to improve their home's appearance and energy efficiency. Choose from our selection of double-pane windows in Loves Park IL for superior insulation and noise reduction. Vinyl slider windows. Loves Park are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance. Our window repair services in Loves Park IL ensure that your windows remain in top condition, providing you with long-lasting performance. Sliding glass windows in Loves Park offer a sleek, modern look that complements any home design. Regular window maintenance in Loves Park IL is essential for keeping your windows functioning properly. Our affordable window options in Loves Park make it easy to upgrade your home without breaking the bank. Schedule a window design consultation in Loves Park IL to explore the latest modern window styles and find the perfect match for your home. Insulated slider windows. Loves Park provide excellent thermal performance, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Our window frame repair services in Loves Park IL address any structural issues, ensuring your windows operate smoothly. Window sealing services in Loves Park IL prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. For window glass replacement in Loves Park, trust our experienced team to deliver high-quality results. Home window improvements in Loves Park IL can significantly enhance your property's value and curb appeal. Upgrade your windows with our window hardware upgrades in Loves Park for improved functionality and security. Slider windows. Loves Park provides protection from insects while allowing fresh air to circulate. Our window weatherproofing services in Loves Park help protect your home from the elements, extending the life of your windows. Whether you need slider window installation in Loves Park, IL, or energy-efficient windows in Loves Park, our team is here to help. Contact us today to learn more about our custom window solutions in Loves Park and schedule your consultation. Let us transform your home with our expert window replacement services in Loves Park IL.